Namaste, how are you?
Good afternoon, villagers from the community. It's really very nice to meet you here today, and thank you for your warm welcome. Last August, soon after the floods happened, the Chinese government has provided $1 million grant assistance to the government of Nepal for flood disaster relief. China is willing to continue, as always, to provide assistance and support to Nepal within its capacity and make a contribution to Nepal's post-disaster reconstruction and the social and economic development. And we hope that these items could provide you some little help for you to recover from the present difficulties.
We were also extremely happy and grateful to the generosity of the people from the People's Republic of China when they approached UNDP and said we also want to continue helping the community of Terai that was affected by the flood.
त्यो बारिश ब्रिज टुटे थियो अनि त्यो भएर चेना सरकार थियो अनि त्यो भएर धन्यवाद
पानी फिल्टर दियो चूल्हा दियो कपड़ा दियो ब्लैंकेट दियो कम्बल दियो चीन सरकारलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद
चाइना सरकार राहत देलकै धन्यवाद हुनका